Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Android mobile WhatsApp with your computer or laptop using WhatsApp Web. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type web.whatsapp.com and press enter. You'll see a QR code displayed on the screen. Next, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. On the chat screen, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Linked Devices. Now tap Link a Device. This will open your phone's camera, point it at the QR code on your computer screen, and make sure the code fits inside the scan box. Once the QR code is scanned, your WhatsApp account will instantly appear on your computer. You can now read and reply to messages, join group chats, and share files directly from your laptop or desktop. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Android WhatsApp to your computer using WhatsApp Web. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.